So let me ask you, are you passionate about helping others improve their relationships? Are you a life coach, counselor, workshop facilitator, speaker, or other professional who works with families, couples, or singles? Would you love to run relationship workshops or add powerful, proven relationship building tools to your toolbox? If so, this course is for you. We're Joel and Natalie Rivera. If sounds like you, we invite you to become a certified relationship workshop facilitator. See, while researching happiness for my dissertation for my PhD in psychology, I found that study after study confirmed that it is our relationships that are one of the most important key factors that impacts our level of happiness. That is why we have been working with couples, singles, and families for over a decade. So in all of our experience counseling couples, families, and singles, and developing relationship workshops for corporate, state, and federal programs, we have found that working with people in groups is really the most impactful way to help people improve their relationship skills.
A group is a safe environment where people tend to take relationship advice that can be hard to hear less personally. They can learn from other participants and reflect on how the concepts apply in their own relationships without having to feel embarrassed or defensive. Plus, as the facilitator, you get to reach more people and make more money in less time compared to working with clients one-on-one. That's why we have put all of our best relationship coaching techniques and relationship advice into one course. This course will train you how to utilize our Enlightened Relationship program to run your own relationship workshops. It provides you a blueprint of everything that you need in order to start facilitating successful relationship workshops right away, including a variety of activities and topics, outlines to follow, and all workshop materials, including handouts and PowerPoints. Plus, you're even going to receive sample promotional materials. And most importantly, you'll learn the exact exercises and tools that we use to help our clients open their communication, attract their ideal partner, reignite their intimacy, stop destructive patterns, forgive and heal past wounds, and create a relationship vision for their ideal relationship.
So by the end of this course, you will be able to help your clients understand why relationship drama is so addictive and how to prevent conflict. You'll be able to help them attract the right partner and be a match to the relationship they really want. You help them release past pains, old patterns, and resentments that keep them repeating the same painful relationship patterns over and over again. You'll help them get beyond the temporary in-love euphoria and develop true, lasting love. You'll also learn proven, powerful communication techniques that are the secret to safe, successful, and fulfilling relationships. We have worked with thousands of couples, singles, and families to help them improve their relationship using these tools, and now you can too.
As a relationship workshop facilitator, you will empower your clients and audiences to see a new vision of what is possible in a truly loving, happy, healthy, and fulfilling relationship.
Joel and Natalie Rivera of Transformation Academy are life coach trainers and entrepreneurs who have trained hundreds of thousands of people from around the world. Their content is based on their educational background in psychology and education and nearly 2 decades of experience in the fields of life coaching, social services, and entrepreneurship, as well as Joel's background as a psychology instructor, his master's degree in counseling, and research on happiness for his dissertation for a PhD in psychology.